Find the equation of the line that passes through minus 4, 3 and has a gradient of minus 2 over 3. Give your answer in the form ax plus by plus d is equal to 0, where a is greater than 0, i.e. we want a here to be positive. Okay, using this formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, and then writing underneath here x1, y1, and here m, we've got y minus 3, y1, is equal to m, which is minus 2 over 3, brackets m minus 4, because x1 is minus 4. So be very careful with the signs. What we do now is we take this 3 and we put it up here. So we multiply both sides by 3. So we get 3 brackets y minus 3 is equal to minus 2x. Now minus 4, it becomes plus 4. Spanning the brackets, so we get 3y minus 9 is equal to minus 2x minus 8. Again, the sign changes because you're multiplying a plus by a minus. And now, because we want x, the term in x to be positive, and we want this to be equal to 0, we add 2x and add 8 to both sides. So adding to this side, we're going to get 2x plus 3y, and then minus 9 plus 8 gives me minus 1, and on this side we get 0. That's now in the format ax plus by plus d is equal to 0, where a is greater than 0. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the equation of a line when you know one point on the line and the gradient. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.